Hello students, good morning and welcome to ISSO Olympiad video class. Today I am discussing with you chapter 5 and this is my fifth video. Chapter 5 is towns, traders and craftsperson. So first question, which foreign travelers accounts help us to know about towns that flourished in medieval India? Once again I repeat the question. Which foreign travelers accounts help us to know about towns that flourished in medieval India? Options are Ralph Fitch. Number 2 is Chand Bardai. Number 3 is Kalhana. And number 4 is Thomas Rowe. Okay, so option A is the correct. Accounts of foreign travelers such as Ralph Fitch helps us to know about the towns that flourished in medieval India. Okay. Now question number 2. Vrindavan is an example of a famous what? Craft town, temple town, capital town or pilgrimages town. So what is the correct answer is number D is the correct because it is the pilgrimage town. Okay, those who are the pilgrimage they go to Vrindavan. Okay. And they actually for Krishna actually they want to visit the temple. So actually it is the pilgrimage town. Now the next question number 3. Dash protects the interests of the traders. Who? Committees, unions, guilds or sects. So who protected the interests of traders? Answer is number C, that is guilds. Guild was an association of craftsmen of traders formed for protection of the interests of the traders. Okay, so once again I repeat the explanation that guild was an association of craftsmen or traders formed for protection of the interests of the traders. Now the question number, see the 5. This is another type of question. Complete the given analogy and select the correct option to fill in the blanks. Pilgrimages town is to Allahabad. Then dash is to Murshidabad. So which is related with Murshidabad? Like pilgrimages town is related with Allahabad and then which is related to Murshidabad? Temple town, craft town, capital town or administrative? So answer is number B. Why? So that means craft town is to Murshidabad. Craft town actually related to the Murshidabad. Why? Because actually Murshidabad was a prominent center for different kinds of silk fabrics. That is why it is craft town. Okay. Okay. Now we are going to next question, that is question number 7. Yes, 7. Which among of the following was not a capital town? Lahore, Delhi, Agra and Mathura. Which among of the following was not a capital town? It is very easy that Mathura was as a pilgrimage town, so that is why it is not capital town. So number D is the correct answer. Option D. Now the next question. Number 9. Okay, question number 9. Select the incorrect match. Select the incorrect. Which is incorrect? That only select. Telis with oilmen, Julhas with weavers, Devdasis with female priest, Dhunyas with cotton cleaners. So which is the incorrect match? Here incorrect match is number C. Devdasis with female priest. This is the incorrect match. Devdasis were female temple dancers in the temples of southern India. This is the explanation why it is incorrect, because those who are Devdasis, they were the female temple dancers, not the female priest, female dancers, and they are actually they are female dancers from which temple? Southern Indians temple. Okay, next question number 10. Question number 10. Which city was the capital of Vijayanagara kingdom? Vijayanagara kingdom. Which city was the capital of Vijayanagara kingdom? Options are Hampi, Surat, Moslipatanam, and none of these. So number 10, Hampi is the correct answer. Okay. Hampi was the capital of Vijayanagara kingdom. It is located in the Krishna Tungabhadra basin, which formed the nucleus of Vijayanagara. That is why Hampi is the capital of Vijayanagara kingdom. Now the next question. Question number 11. Which among the following statements about Chola capital Tanjore is false? Which among the following statements about Chola capital Tanjore is false? First option. Raja Rajeshwara temple is in this town. Number B. The perennial river Narmada flows near this town. Number C. There are places with mandapas. And the number D. There are also barracks for the army. Which is the correct option? Option number B. Option number B is the correct. Because river Kaveri flows near Tanjore. That is why. Now our next question number 12. Which among the following is or are temple town or towns? Which among the following is or are temple town or towns? Options are Kanchipuram, Madurai, Tirupati, all of these. Number 12 answer is all of these. So, these all are the temple towns. Now the next question number 15. The Dutch established a settlement at Dash. The Dutch established a settlement at Dash. Option A. Ajmer, Rajasthan. Option B. Tanjore, Tamil Nadu. Option C. Machilipatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Number D. Madurai, Tamil Nadu. 15. Answer C is correct. Machilipatnam, Andhra Pradesh. So the Dutch settlement established a settlement at Machilipatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Now the question number 17. Question number 17. Question number 17, no, 16 also 16. Where is the question number 16? Yes, this is question number 16. Identify the artwork and select the correct option. Question number 16. Identify the artwork and select the correct option. So, here is the artwork. Now, options are, is it temple painting? Is it a shawl border? It is a carpet from Kabul. It is none of these. So 16B is correct. See, if you see the properly, then you can understand this is the shawl border. See, this is the border. Okay, and this is the design. Now question number 17. It is a 17th century candle stand. Okay, this picture is the 17th century's candle stand. Name the place where it was manufactured. Options are Surat, Murshidabad, Ahmedabad or Bidar. Which is the correct answer? Answer number D. Now the explanation. The corrupt persons of Bidar were so famed for their inlay work in copper and silver that it came to be called Bidri. Okay, so that is why they are known as Bidri. So this is very interesting question. Now the next question, number 19. What were handles? What were handles? Options: a group of merchants. Next, a note recording a despite made by a person. Number C, a type of cotton textile. And the number D, a small town in 17th century. Answer is number B, a note recording a despite made by a person. So the amount of deposits can be claimed at another place by presenting the handi. Okay, handis. What were the handis? A note recording a despite deposit made by a person, that is handis. Now once again few achievers sections questions are there, and number 21 is showing one matching. Match the columns and select the correct option. Column 1 and column 2 is given. Column 1 is general term and column 2 used for. Okay. So column 1 number A, Pattanam, and right side it is written a small town in North India. Number B, column 1, Puram. Number 2, column 2, a big city of South India. Number C, column 1 is written Kwasaba. Number 3 in column 2 is written a port town of South India. Number D in column 1 it is written Nagaram, and number 4 column 2 it is written a city in South India. Now match the columns. So option number A, it is written that match is with A is 2, A with 2, column 1 A. Which is column 1 in A? That is column 1 with 2. Number B is with 3, number C is with 1, and number D is with D. This is the first option. Second option, number A is with 3, B with 4, C with 1, D with 2. Next, number C option. A with 4, B with 1, C with 2, D with 3. And the last option, A with 1, B with 2, C with 4, D with 3. So, which is the correct option? Number 21, B is the correct. That means, I'm telling you, Pattanam, a big city of South India. Sorry, Pattanam, a port town of South India. That means A with 3. Okay. B with 4. That means Puram with a city of South India. C with 1. That means Kwasaba with a small town in North India. And number D with 2. Nagaram, a big city in South India. So this is the matching. In this way you have get so many matchings. Okay. So be constantly you will do it. Okay students, now Okay, come to the question number 24. Okay, question number 24. Refer to the given Venn diagram. Refer to the given Venn diagram and select the correct option regarding it. See, there are three diagrams is there. One is middle. In right side, it just touch middle, and left side also touch with middle. So its name is given XYZ. The middle is name is Y, X is left side and right side is Z. Middle is showing the capital town. Right side it is written the temple town and left side it is written the pilgrimages center. But everyone actually mixed with each other. So now the options are number A, Vrindavan, Ajmer, Tanjavur. Number B, Ajmer, Tanjavur, Vrindavan. Number C, Tanjavur, Vrindavan, Ajmer. And number D, Ajmer, Vrindavan, Tanjavur. So refer the given Venn diagram and select the correct option regarding it. The answer is number B is correct. Okay. Ajmer, Tanjavur and the Vrindavan. Okay. Ajmer, Tanjavur, Vrindavan. So this is the option and this is the answer. Okay students, so today I am completing the chapter number 5 from history. Next video I will discuss with you chapter 6, mobile and settled communities. Okay, so till thank you and goodbye. Have a nice day.